Hi, I'm Carlos Zafranco.
And I'm Ethel Zafranco, and we are AQMNI.
So this mural is our love letter to Inglewood and Hollywood Park. And we wanted to pay homage to not only the international and world-class acts that SoFi and YouTube Theater bring in, also recognize all the amazing local talent that is birthed from the city of Inglewood. Inglewood is definitely one of the only places in LA that I've heard people go, we're not from LA, we're from Inglewood.
In the composition, you can see a lot of the way energy flows. It's very like the movement of
It's
the sports and the music and the energy, like when you come into the theater, into the stadium. We wanted to capture that as well.
Yeah, we wanted to show how that flowed into the heartbeat of the city.
Yes.
That's what it was, yeah.
So one of the favorite aspects of the work that we do is that we come in kind of as a blank slate, and we sit with people that live in the community, work in the community, that have stories and lived experiences to tell, and that really allows us to connect to the essence of the community that we are going to be putting up the mural in.
When people see this mural, you know, if they're from Inglewood, I hope it reinforces that pride they have in the community. And if they're not from Inglewood, I hope it creates a curiosity for them to learn more about Inglewood.
For me, I love the emotion that a mural can invoke when somebody first sees it. I think art is very inspiring. It creates an opportunity for people to think about life and see the world in a different way. So I'm hoping, well, first of all, lots of pictures, lots of an opportunity for people to create memories in front of, to talk about, to kind of, for one moment, like stand in the stillness of like the awe of like, wow, this is like a giant piece of art in front of me, and feel moved by it.
Yeah, I hope someone sees themselves in this mural. From the perspective that we see it from the floor up, you're looking at this world stage. There's like a diverse amount of acts coming from a diverse amount of backgrounds. Hopefully that inspires that one kid to go for it.
We are really thrilled to have this new mural up at YouTube Theater. From Hollywood Park with Love is an homage to the history of Hollywood Park and what stood on these grounds before we got here. We are thrilled that guests get to get a taste of the Inglewood history and see how we are a part of this incredible community. Thanks to our partners at Ticketmaster, we're proud to bring this mural to life, celebrating our unique culture and community through art.